So, in my hunting for projects and furniture to rescue, I found 2 of these chairs. The other 2 chairs in the set were destroyed, completely smashed and unsavable. These 2 were in pretty good condition. You can see some white transfer on a couple of the corners. They were a little bit loose and the screws had to be tightened down to get the chair stable itself. Overall, they're both in pretty good shape. I'm not going to do any work on the paint. I'm going to do this as a quick restore rescue operation. I'm going to recover the seats with some fabric. I'm going to put some decals on the back of the chairs, the seat back, and the 320 sandpaper is to remove any transfer of paint from other unknown sources, and the shellac is to add some protection to the paint, as some of it has started cracking because I believe they've been kept outdoors for a certain period of time and have some sun damage and possibly water damage to them. At any rate, they're in pretty good shape. They were destined for the trash bin, and I'm going to save them, give them to a friend who has a barber shop, and let him use them in his shop. So let's see how they turn out. I'll be back shortly. So approximately an hour and 30 minutes later, maybe 2 hours, I have finished the project. The longest part of this project was waiting for things to arrive in the mail. With COVID-19 being what it is, I decided to do everything as much as possible through the mail. So I ordered the fabric and the stickers, and it cost me about $30. And the shellac I already had on hand. Once they arrived, it took me an hour and a half to 2 hours to put these things together and clean them up, shellac them, put the stickers on, and rescue these 2 still usable pieces of furniture from the trash heap so they can go and be used in the barber shop just down the street. Thanks very much for watching Furniture Rescue and this video. Please subscribe to my video and watch my other videos to see what kind of furniture is rescued next.